channel. It's your girl MagsMilano and I'm back with a new video. So in today's video I'll be doing a quick little review on the Christian Louboutin's Jonatina, and yeah, let's get straight into the video. Before we get into this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, and yeah, I'll wait for you, ain't no rush. So like I said, I just wanted to quickly do a little quick video on the Christian Louboutin Jonatinas. So I'm pretty sure the majority of us have seen the box, but as you guys know, I like to show the boxes in all of my luxury videos because it just makes the whole feel of luxury. So yeah, this is the Louis Vuitton box. It just says Christian Louboutin. It's a grey box. It's really well made. It's really sturdy. It doesn't break or anything. It says Christian Louboutin Paris, and then it has whatever products that you've bought, the details of it here. So once you open the bag, I've already taken it out, but once you open the bag, it comes with the shoes in the dust bag, but I've already taken it out like I said. So this is the dust bag. It's just a red dust bag and it's kind of like a velvety material, and it just says Christian Louboutin in black, and then it has the drawstring as well. And then once we open the dust bag up, we have the shoes, and here they are. Let me just get them both out. So here they are. These are the shoes. So I've had these shoes for 2 years now, and I can honestly say these are by far the most comfortable pair of Christian Louboutins I've ever tried. I've tried a few Christian Louboutins on. I also have different other ones, and they are like a torture. I have the Socates as well, and like, is that even a question? Like, we all know Socates are the most uncomfortable pair of shoes ever. Like, those shoes are evil, or those shoes are bad vibes. Like, they're so uncomfortable. Those shoes, I know they say that those shoes are for more sitting down, but I can't even sit down in them. I can't sit down and just have those shoes on my feet because they are literally squishing my feet together. Like, they are just bad vibes. But these, on the other hand, oh my gosh, guys, I'm due to get another pair of these in a different color because these are just amazing. I knew they would be good because the heel sandals, so your feet are not being squished anywhere. Like, your feet are open, basically. Your feet are open, so it's not going to be as uncomfortable as like the Socates where it's closed. It's a closed shoe. I wish I could go get them and show you them, but that's a whole nother video, isn't it? Or should I? No, it's a whole nother video. But yeah, so these are them. They say Christian Louboutin Paris in them. I hope you guys can see that well. And then the back of it also says Christian Louboutin, and then it just has your size on there. These are so comfortable. I'm finna title this video the most comfortable pair of Christian Louboutins because, oh my gosh, like, what was I doing before these? The heel size of this shoe is 100, I believe. They're 100, so they're easy to walk in. They're not too high where it's like uncomfortable. Even though it's quite a thin heel, it's still really comfortable to walk in. I can walk in these for ages and still like feel fine. My feet do not feel uncomfortable. Obviously after a while it does feel a bit like gazy, but that's like after ages. They're nothing like Socates. Like, they're nothing like Socates. I used to think all Christian Louboutins were just a mad thing, but after finding these, oh my gosh, like, I'm never ever going back to closed shoes from Christian Louboutins ever again. So obviously my ones are in the black leather, but I know they do them in other colors. They do them in a nude, which is the one that I've got my eye on. I think I might just pick those up because they are just so worth it. I forgot to tell you the price of these are £625 in the UK. So yeah, I'm thinking to pick up another pair of the nude ones because these are just amazing. They're so good. They look so classy. They look so like elegant on. Wearing these with, like, I can wear the most simplest outfits with these and it just like brings it up a notch. Like, I just love these so much. Like, whenever I want to step out and, like, you know, do bits, like, these gotta come with me, like, period. because they are shoes, they do obviously lose value as time goes on, because they're shoes, like their footwear, you're stepping on the floor, they start to get scratched. And as you guys can see, mine have started to scratch up a bit. And even so, I don't think they're that bad, because I've had these for 2 years and I've worn them quite a lot. So this is the only scratchings I've got on there. But I'm not too sure if you guys are aware, you can actually go to Christian Louboutin and get them to put like, I don't know what they're called. They're like, it's like a rubber sole on the back here so that they don't ever scratch. But I'm not too fussed about doing that just yet, because at one time I went there and showed them for one of my other Louboutins, and they said to me that I should just wait until like it gets really bad before doing it, because it's like, no, there's no point in it basically. But I'm not too bothered about it. Because they're shoes, you will get more wear and tear on them, because obviously they're on your feet and they're stepping on the floor. So I'll just show you guys briefly what wear and tear I've got on these so far. So as you guys can see the back bit of the shoe has a bit of like scratches just round here. It's not too obvious, but you can definitely see the scratches. The heel of the shoe is also kind of like broken, so it's like coming off, as you guys can see. I don't really want to touch it, so that's quite annoying. I need to get that fixed, but luckily Christian Louboutin actually give you some spare ones. So I should quickly show you. They give you like replacement ones, so I can just take them to go get it fixed with the replacements, so that comes in handy. And to be honest, you kind of expect that to happen after a while with shoes, because like they're stepping on the floor, they're stepping on like holes, they're like, you know, floors that aren't, and obviously floors that are uneven can cause it to do stuff like that. So I'm not too bothered about it, to be honest. And then obviously, like I said before, you guys can see that I've got some wear and tear on the sole of the shoe. Apart from that, guys, I haven't got any other wear and tear on this shoe. I'm trying to actually look for something, if I can see anything, but no. The strap of the shoe is still really sturdy. It's on there nicely, as you guys can see. I literally have no complaints on this shoe. Like, I love them so much, to a point where, like I said to you, I'm going to hopefully get another pair, because they are so comfortable. Like, what Louboutins are comfortable, please? Because after I got so case, I thought, yeah, nah, because what are those, please? They go with so many different looks, whether it be a dress, whether it be a skirt, whether it be a two-piece, trousers. Like, they just go well with so many different looks, and I love them so much. I told you guys this would be like a quick little review, because I knew I haven't got much to say about them, but I just wanted to let you guys know, if there's anyone out there that's looking for a more like luxury pair of heels, I would definitely recommend these to you, because they are so comfortable, guys. I'm all for comfort. Like, there's no point in buying really expensive shoes and then what, you can't walk in them, or they're uncomfortable, or you're walking in them but looking all funny. No, it doesn't make sense. So if you guys are looking for a pair of shoes to invest in, a pair of like heels to invest in for going out, date nights or whatever, I would definitely recommend you the Jonatinas by Christian Louboutin, because they are just it. They're just that bitch, like, okay? So I'm usually a size 38 or 38 and a half, but I like to size up when it comes to heels. So with these, I got them in a size 39 and a half, meaning I sized up like about 1.5 size up to 1 size up, because like I said to you, I either wear 38 or 38 and a half, and these are 39 and a half. So I've sized up quite a bit, and these fit perfectly. They're not too big, they're not too small, they literally fit perfectly. So I'll definitely say size up in these shoes. But again, I'm not the type of person to buy shoes online, because I feel like I need to try them on, I need to see how they feel. You know, shoes are like, it's different for everyone. Some people might have wider feet, some people might have more slim feet, but these work perfectly for me. Like, I love these so much. Like I said, I sized up to a size 39 and a half, and they fit perfectly for me. But yeah, guys, that's all I've got to say to you about these shoes. Like I said to you initially, this was just a little quick review to let you guys know about these gems. I'm pretty sure a lot of you know about it already, but if you don't, please do yourself a favor. Forget about the showcase, forget about the closed shoes, because you're going to cry, okay? You're gonna cry, and it's not gonna be worth it. It's not gonna be cute. Go and grab yourself a pair of Jonatinas, or a pair of open shoes. Any pair of like sandal shoes will definitely work, but these are my girls. Like, I'm gonna go get myself another pair, because they've never played me, so why would I play them? I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you want some more videos like this, or if you enjoyed this video. That really helps. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, help your girl out. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about these shoes, or if you have any other Christian Louboutins that are comfortable, or you want to recommend me a pair that are comfortable. Please let me know, and I will definitely check that out because I'm due to get a new pair myself. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.